Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your central bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in central bank login and hit the search. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the official link www.centralbank.com. Just click on that link. Now you'll be directly taken to the login page of CentralNet. Over here you just need to enter your user ID. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on login button, you will easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username, just click on forgot username to recover your username. Similarly, if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. If you are going to make a loan payment, just click on login over here. Similarly, business and commercial login, just click on login over here. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.